This version of the seated dumbbell bicep curl trains the biceps in their mid-range, along with the brachioradialis, which is the largest forearm muscle. To set up, you can either use a preacher curl bench or a lat pull down. Sitting backwards, anchor the back of your upper arm against the pad and pull your shoulders back and down. For the action, on the concentric, starting with your grip in a neutral position, flex your elbow whilst rotating your hand into a palms up position. Aim to touch your bicep with your forearm. On the eccentric, control the weight as you extend your elbow and lower the weight down. For proper alignment, stability, and to maintain the tension in your biceps, keep your shoulders back and down throughout. If the exercise causes discomfort on your elbows or shoulders, try alternating arms and leaning slightly toward the working arm with each repetition, aiming to keep your shoulder, elbows, and wrists in a straight line.